Welcome to EPC podcast series, your destination for unraveling real-world business challenges through smart digital-first solutions. I'm your host Nishad, and today we're zooming in on one of the biggest silent project killers in the EPC world, that is procurement mismanagement. But there's a good news. Odoo ERP for engineering is stepping in as a real game changer. Stay with me as we unpack how Odoo brings clarity, control, and confidence to EPC procurement, supply chain, and vendor management. In the engineering, procurement, and construction, procurement isn't just a purchase process, it's the core that keeps your projects moving. You're managing multi location vendors, critical long lead items, strict contract compliances, constant pricing fluctuation. But most EPC companies still use spreadsheets, emails, disconnected systems, or worse, manual approvals. A small quick stat would let you understand the same. Industry data shows that over 65% of the EPC project delays can be traced back to procurement and vendor management inefficiencies. Here's where most EPC companies struggle. They have zero real-time visibility as they don't know where the purchase stands until the site team screams for materials. Vendor coordination nightmare is there, endless emails, missed calls, outdated PO versions, and whatnot. Uncontrolled costs are also there, and they are making you lose money through untracked revisions and emergency buying. Apart from that, you have documentation gaps, which lead to missing vendor contracts, compliance slips, and last minute audits. Now picture this. Your steel shipment is delayed, your site is idle, and your project cost is skyrocketing. All because someone missed an updated PO version which was buried in their inbox. This is exactly where Odoo ERP for engineering steps in. Let's get into how Odoo ERP for EPC helps in procurement from chaos to clarity. Well, you have real-time procurement tracking with Odoo. Odoo's purchase module tracks every RFQ, purchase order, delivery and invoice, and that too in live. Site managers, procurement officers, and project heads see the same data, so they are not blind and there are no blind spots left. Vendor performance management. Odoo rates vendors' delivery timelines, pricing consistency, and quality, and that too automatically. Bad vendors are flagged, good vendors are nurtured. Approval workflows built for EPC. Well, Odoo automates multi-level approvals based on project value, material type, or urgency. You can make fast decisions with full accountability. You also get integrated cost control. So, Odoo's tight integration between procurement, inventory, and accounting gives you real-time budget control so that you can see budget versus actual spend at any moment, no last-minute surprises. You also get compliance and document management, wherein Odoo stores every purchase order, delivery note, and vendor contract in a structured, easy-to-retrieve format. And that's perfect for audits, client reports, and regulatory checks. Now let's see the real business impact with Odoo. So what's the big payoff when engineering, procurement, construction companies go for Odoo? Well, they have on-time procurement, so that site teams get materials when they need them. They get cost efficiency, so there is less wastage, better pricing tracking, and stronger negotiations. You also have vendor transparency that helps you with clear records, timely follow-ups, and reliable partnerships. And lastly, you get zero chaos because Odoo centralizes everything, no more scattered spreadsheet or missed emails. For example, companies that are using Odoo in EPC have reported up to 20% reduction in procurement cycle times and significant cost savings thanks to real-time visibility. Well, now in closing, EPC procurement doesn't need to be this complicated, but With Odoo ERP for engineering, procurement, and construction, it brings it all together. Procurement, supply chain, vendor management, everything is seamless. It's affordable, it's modular, and it's designed to grow with your business. And just a quick tip for you, you just need to start by mapping your top 3 procurement challenges, then see how Odoo's purchase, inventory, and accounting modules can directly solve them one by one. Thank you for tuning into today's EPC podcast. And if you found this conversation valuable, please subscribe, share, and connect with us. And if you want to explore Odoo ERP for your EPC projects, reach out to us at sales@apagen.com and let's digitize the right way.